Neville. Neville. What? What? What do you... What? What? Why? No, get down. Neville, get down. Get down. Are you done? Oh, there it is. There it is. Get it, buddy.
I have this on video.
That's hilarious.
Does that feel good?
He likes to
Weirdo.
see his feet in it.
He does, actually. He's done it before.
Does that feel... Oh.
Oh no! He broke the faucet.
Walter, leave him alone. Walter!
He hasn't been decontaminated yet! Jacques! Oui. Clean him! Oui. Ocean! Ouh, la mer! Bon. Voilà, he is clean.
Good morning. I just wanted to say that
George! Georgie, come here. George! Look. George, is that your new best friend? Is that your new best friend? Oh.
And is capable of moving around. And it's a big animal, obviously, so we just need to be quiet.
Oh.
Not again. Hey, buddy. Okay, I'm gonna open the window. I don't even know how you got in. It's okay. It's okay. Holy shit. You okay, buddy?
Wow. Rude. Ow. Dude. Get out. Get off. Oh my God. You don't even care, boy. Dude, what the fuck is just, why are you just, dude, this is too funny, but it hurts.
Check out what we got in here. Look at this. That right there is a flying fish. It's got wings and it can fly.
Well, I don't know how to pick him up. I don't want to touch it. It's okay, buddy. It's okay. We're going to try to get you some help. He wiggled his tail at me. Oh, hey. Just driving around with a goose in my truck. Because no one will help it. I can't find out where to do with it and how to save it. So, how's your night going? Get your strength back. I don't want to scare you. It's okay. Just rest, okay?
I'm barefoot, dog. You still gonna get me, man? I'm barefoot. I ain't got no pass. Ow! I'm barefoot. Hey, for real though. Wee. 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 Wee.
Okay, you guys, listen. I am